this week.
Warrant Officer Burgess was responsible for the reconstruction of the accident scene. In the second day of his testimony, he provided the court with a detailed methodology used to determine the probability of Luthuli's death being an accident. Burgess told the court that he relied on, amongst other things, reports from the initial inquest. This included the statement of the train driver, Stephanus Lateghan, and that of the investigating officer in 1967. Using details of the train and measurements from a bridge, and with the assistance of experts on steam trains, Burgess was able to determine the speed of the train and the time it would have taken for it to stop. His findings further determined that the train brakes could not have been applied when the driver said he did, and as such, Luthuli could not have been hit by a train.
The possibility of an accident scenario occurring as described by Mr. Lateghan is highly unlikely. Taking into account the stopping distance required to stop the locomotive where it came to rest at the scene, that is a minimum of 767 meters. The brakes to the train would have to have been applied at least 170 meters before the entrance to the northern side of the bridge.
Burgess further told the court that Luthuli's injuries were not well documented by the 3 doctors who submitted reports at the time.
The nature and extent of the injuries sustained by Mr. Albert Luthuli are not well documented to come to any conclusion as to the cause of the injuries sustained by Mr. Albert Luthuli. Until such time as further information is forthcoming, the probable cause of the injuries sustained by Mr. Albert Luthuli, in my mind, remain inconclusive.
In his conclusion, Burgess stated that based on his investigation, it's also highly unlikely that Luthuli was struck by someone on the moving train, nor could he have been pushed from the bridge onto the tracks. I am Mhlongo, SABC News, Pietermaritzburg.